Hey guys, welcome back to the Scott Family 9. Yo guys, I have to do this sauna today. Look on the weather. I don't know if you can see me. The weather body of frig. I don't know if you can hear what I say. See what I see. But that weather is dangerous today guys. I don't want to mash up my camera because it's not a waterproof camera, but they can't see me. Look what I do guys. Look on the snowstorm. On the Jamaicans, or they are Jamaica, on the stay on there, yeah? From there Africa, from there Guyana, Trinidad, Caribbean people, who no one coming at this. Alright, you see after March, only can come to Canada, yeah? Anytime after March, only can come up. Anytime after March, I'm not even put on my jacket. I'm just have to run come out here, I can show you this. This is something that we can't get used to this. Over here, so. You see it? Cannot get used to this, look. Everywhere white here. Yesterday we get up, the place clear and nice. Today, everything white. White out. I wish I had something put up on my camera, so I can walk around and show you. Everything. Go there. Go there guys. I'm telling you, this is not a pretty thing. Not pretty, I'm not going to go out in it. Go there. Go there. Dangerous out of dangerous guys. I'm stay in there. Everyone have to come back in there, yeah? After March, one can reach up here. Before March, one stay on the yard. I'm big enough. That place here, mucky, cool. I'm never telling you. Alright? That is got a one, you know. So I'm stay on the yard. Look on the wind. You can't even see. Look on the snow blow. I don't know if you can see the snow blow. But this is dangerous, guys. Alright? I don't want to come to them thing. I don't want to come to them thing, guys. I'm telling you. I wish I could have seen it properly. Alright? I wish I could have seen this properly. But my link on in a bit still. Alright? That is got to be back. Yes, my people. Try to set up this properly, you know. So I can see that it's got, you know, the snow. So I say, them I think I will got you over here. The weather. I'm not gonna lie back. Tell you now. If they have a plan to come to Canada, after March, goes after April. So I say, pretty out here. That's it. I tell you, man. Pretty out here. You know better. Better understanding of the whole thing. I see it. Open, I can't see everything. Them are without window. Open, I can't see everything. Alright, so people, I just saw everything set up. If nice Jamaica, I'm coming at this. You know, pretty, sir. You know, pretty. You know, pretty at all. So I tell you, this is not pretty. You see it? It's not pretty. Over the gas probably. That's what I say. Do my thing I will got you. Wish me could have just pack up and come home right now. Out of this over there. I'm telling you. I'm pretty over there. Pretty at all. But part of the country life, you see it, so we can adapt to it. Kids them love it, but we can never get used to this out there. I can see my face. Never get used to this. So I'm saying? Man. Yeah, okay, that's me. That's it. Move on, I can't see me. My lifestyle, you know. Eh? Them over there. I pay you now. I couldn't bet. See? I can't come and walk barefoot out the door. Eh? Can't come walk barefoot out the door. 5 minutes. Trust me, man. No matter how much years you live in Canada, once you come from the islands, you can never get used to this. Never. This is no getting used to. Can't get used to this type of weather. My face is probably white all there now. Can't even see my face properly. So I say. So guys, I don't know if you can see me now. I'm going to try to set up this so you can take a look when I go through winter time. 6 months out of the year. I'm more than 6 months still. Yeah guys, that's how life is like. You see it? So the daddy's cat have to get up and do daily. Now reverse the car. Yeah guys, the vehicle is dirty, you see it? Trust me, what over here, not pretty. This is what the real gang leader want to go through. This is what I say, make a better life. This is how we live, sweet sweet Jamaica, sweet sweet Ireland, like Ghana, Grenada, Trinidad and Tobago. You know what I say? This is how we leave them for. This is how we're there. This is how we're there, not pretty guys. I'm going to tell nobody to leave them nice country. And come here so. Go live in an ice box. Over here says an ice box. You know? Then plug it in for 9 months and plug it out for 3. You see what I say? Then go plug it out for 3 months. For tie it out to clean it. You see what I say? Because you don't want, you don't know you have a freezer at home, you have to plug out your freezer to clean your freezer, so you know, back up and stuff like that with ice and rotate. And same thing guys. So most know there, so I'm gonna try see if I can see it look a bit better. Maybe I can't see my face, but I can't see the snow is snowing, you know. I'm supposed to salt it too, but I'm not salt it. I not really body there, kind of melt here now. So you know what I'm saying? Come shovel it good. So as long as you don't enjoy this, you know, see what daddy's cat have to go through daily. No one the still know. But everybody will live here. So you know what I'm saying? The only difference is some people pay if you get done. Why am I going to pay $40 if somebody work for me for 5 minutes? You know what I'm saying? I can do it myself. Alright guys. So when you can see, the hair, my breath kinda cool. Alright? So remember, say, subscribe, share, comment, like. You know what I'm saying? Do all of the good things that I know I'm supposed to do. Alright guys, until the next video, that is cut out.